Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing the game and content manager. This prevents file locks. Make a quick backup of your saves and screenshots to an external folder so nothing is lost. Once done, confirm you have at least 5 GB free and temporarily disable antivirus, or add an exclusion for Content Manager so it won't interfere. Finally, download the latest installer matching your current version. This gives you a clean source to repair corrupted files without altering your settings. Run the installer as administrator and select Repair. That replaces missing or corrupted program files while preserving user data. If repair isn't offered, choose Reinstall, but opt to keep your user data folder when prompted so saves remain intact. After the process, open the installer or Content Manager logs and scan for any file errors or failing modules. This tells you whether the issue was file corruption, permission errors, or an incompatible plugin that caused the crash. Restart your PC and launch Content Manager. Test with a clean profile to confirm stability. If it crashes only on your usual profile, disable third-party plugins and mods, then re-enable them one at a time to find the offender. Make sure to run as administrator and check GPU drivers are current. If crashes persist, capture the crash log and include specific error messages when you submit it to support. This single troubleshooting tip speeds diagnosis and leads to a focused fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.